In this reel review, we're going to take a look at Starr from Team Black Belt. That's Ram Rawat, Art Flair, and Palab Gasol. The big headline here is Stop Struggling with Affiliate Marketing. Our new software makes us $541 payments daily in 3 clicks. No tech skills, no experience, includes real life case study. Then they have some bullet points here. To include this one, I'm going to highlight no cold calling or hard selling required. Before we buy this and take a look inside of the software, let's take a look at what the sales page is telling us, how we can make sales with Starr in 3 simple steps. Step 1, log into the cloud-based Starr app. Enter any keyword you want, and Starr finds hundreds of Facebook pages that don't currently have a cover image, and apparently this is an untapped market. For you to step 2, use the built-in messaging tool to contact all the businesses using a proven message for closing the deal. And in step 3, you're going to outsource the actual work to Fiverr or other design partners we give you and keep 100% of the profits yourself. Now, step 3 is the key to Starr. And before we look at the actual software to see what it does, because I'm going to purchase it, I want to talk about step 3 and what step 3 is when you outsource the actual work to Fiverr. This is something that's called digital arbitrage, or like you see here on medium.com. Mike Diaz wrote an article here describing exactly what is digital service arbitrage. You need to understand what business you're going to enter when you purchase Starr. In business, arbitrage in a service or product refers to a situation where you take advantage of the difference in prices of a product in 2 different markets to make profits. Digital service arbitrage, that's what you're going to be doing with Starr when you outsource this service to Fiverr of creating Facebook covers and then selling them for a higher price, refers to buying and reselling digital services to make profits. The example here is you look for a company that wants a website designed for them for $1,000. You then find a web designer that you can do the job at $700, and then you make $300 of profit because that's the difference between the price you charge the customer you found and the web designer you found to do the service. So back to the 3-step process, and step number 2, use the built-in messaging tool to contact all the businesses using a proven message for closing the deal. Of course, after you log into the cloud-based app that I'm going to buy here in a minute and show you inside exactly how that works, and you found hundreds of Facebook pages that don't currently have a cover image. Let's focus again on step 2, use the built-in messaging tool to contact all the businesses. Back to this list of bullets, no cold calling or hard selling required. Cold calling is sending messages to people that you don't have a relationship with. That's what you're going to be doing in step 2. You're going to be sending messages cold, meaning the companies that you find, the businesses you find on Facebook that don't have cover images, you're going to be sending them messages cold. So now that, before we buy it, again, our software finds us hundreds of people that will gladly spend $100 to $500 to get our help. We're going to address that here in a second when we purchase the software, but before I click the Get Instant Access Now button, I want to make sure that I'm not missing out on any kind of discount, because these pages and these vendors are notorious for offering coupons or a discount link if you simply exit the page. So watch my mouse here as I scroll up to the middle of the page and exit the page, and yes, of course, wait, claim $2 off. So if you're going to purchase Starr, make sure you copy this coupon code right here and claim your discount to get Starr for $6.80 instead of $8.88. Click the Claim My Discount button, and as you can see here, again, you have to apply the coupon code. I have a coupon, apply that coupon code, hit apply. Now you can see that I'm going to be able to get this for $2 off. Take note here that they're saying I'm saving $190.12 because they're saying I'm getting a 97% discount, because they're saying the normal price of this software is $197. But let's go back to the sales page real quick and look at what they told us before we clicked the Get Instant Access Now button. Grab Starr now and save over 90%, usually $47 a month, today only one time. But again, when we're here completing our purchase, they're telling us the normal price is $197, not $47 a month. Anyway, take note of these types of things as you move through your purchase, or take note of these things and don't purchase, because things just don't line up here. And now we're going to complete the purchase and get inside of Starr. I'm going to pay with my Warrior Plus wallet here. And of course, before I actually get to Starr, I'm going to have to be hit with this upgrade, which is going to offer me to 4x my profits with unlimited campaign creation, remove all limits. Not sure on the sales page. You can help me verify that by going to the sales page and keeping me honest here. If in the comments you saw that there are limits in the software, go ahead and let me know. Advanced training included and more. Every option included, no usage restrictions. Watch this short video to learn everything that you need to know about unlimited results without restriction ever to get Starr Pro. And what exactly is Starr Pro? Starr Pro is going to allow you to multiply your results with one click, but here's what I want to focus in on. Additional affiliate training. Additional training on how to generate more sales with affiliate and CPA marketing. Again, the big headline for Starr before we look inside the cloud-based app: stop struggling to make money with affiliate marketing. Now they're upselling us on how to get unlimited traffic and additional affiliate marketing training to generate more sales. Very confusing, not really consistent here in the funnel, but let's move on. Hop inside of Starr. Here you can see inside of my purchase, access your purchase. It's going to take you over to the members area where Team Black Belt, that's Art Flair, Paula Gasol, and Ram Ra'at, are going to allow you to enter to your members area. And all you need to do is step 1, log into the Starr app. And then they have a step 2, 10K month case study and guide access. And step 3, better than CPA income guide. And then they have some case studies here. Scroll down, some more case studies, some more bonuses that you can click and register to get on more people's email lists to get more information about how to earn more money doing other things beside what you just purchased. So let's focus here and log into the Starr app and see exactly what the Starr app does. Here we go. Looks like this is your first time. Let me take a quick moment to introduce myself. My name is Sam and I personally designed and developed the Starr app. Not sure who Sam is because Team Black Belt is Art Flair, Paula Gasol, and Ram Ra'at. Now inside here I'm being introduced to Sam. And Sam is going to have me register for a replay to learn about how he went from 0 to 12K per month without spending a penny on paid traffic. Again, not sure who Sam is, but let's go ahead and close that and get inside of the members area here. Here we have the members area, leads extracted. Let's see, upgrades. Why do I need an upgrade button? A training video or a video page. Quick overview in the entire system. Niche and demographics. In this module, I'll show you exactly how to choose the perfect niche and city to target using the app, contacting your leads, getting paid, and delivering the service. More training resources. Use Yelp to find the perfect niche. Send simple invoices using PayPal. One click to outsource on Fiverr. So again, the concept here is you go to new campaigns and you find Facebook pages. Simply click the login with Facebook button and get started finding high quality businesses without Facebook timeline covers. So now they're going to force me to log into my Facebook account and use my access credentials to run this tool that honestly, I have no idea what this tool is going to do. So now they put the ball in my court to utilize my login credentials with Facebook versus having a real-based cloud app that uses a developer key or an API or something they developed to actually use the app. So what happens if I click on login with Facebook, I log in and something goes wrong with this connection and I get put in Facebook jail? That's the question I need to ask myself right now before I click this button. But for the sake of you, so you see how this works, I'm going to go ahead and see what happens. Log in with Facebook. Server app 1 is requesting access to your name and profile picture and email address. Again, what is server app 1 and what am I actually giving them access to? Learn more here about these settings. So make sure that you click here and you read this and you understand exactly what you're getting into when you're sharing and what you're connecting to your account. Because again, in my opinion, I purchased a cloud-based app. I don't agree with having to log into my Facebook account and risk my Facebook account to use an app that they sold me that is supposed to be doing this for me. Now I am having to learn and understand what their server app is doing that they called server app 1. They didn't even call it Starr. so I don't even recognize the name of it. But we'll go ahead, and again, for your sake, I'm going to continue as Gary. And then later on, I'm going to go in and I'm going to disconnect this from my account. But I want to test this so you see how this works. Campaign name, let's just say we're looking for dog grooming. And the business type is dog grooming. Let's just use San Diego as the example. And we'll go with their example, San Diego, California. And let's get started. And here is what I got. There has been a critical error on this website. Learn more about troubleshooting WordPress. So now here I am. I have a critical error on the site after I just purchased it. Risked my account by logging in to Starr and authorizing Starr to use my credentials inside of Facebook, and now it didn't even work. All right, so let's go back. And again, I'll just show you inside of here. That's pretty much it. That's how you run the campaign. Then you can view your campaigns. Of course, I couldn't run a campaign, so it didn't work. Here we have 10x profits page optimizer. What is this? That link takes me to a blank page. Go back. Traffic builder. Let's see what this does. Traffic builder. Starlogin.com. Reload that. Again, blank page. This is a disaster. You're seeing this. I don't know. You saw me purchase it. Access Fiverr. Let me click this link and see what happens. It literally just takes me to Fiverr.com to go and find the services. So again, what you're doing here is you're looking for Facebook covers on Fiverr. Facebook covers, click search. This is what you would be doing. Then you would find here people to create your Facebook covers. But of course, Starr didn't work. I couldn't run a campaign. So let's go back to Starr. And again, try this again. Go back to new campaign. Campaign name, dog grooming, San Diego, California. As you can see, you click the get started button. I'm going to click that again. Oh, this time it worked. So here we go. Dog grooming. You can easily view, manage, edit, delete, or export leads. You can export as PDF, export as a CVS. And here's what we got. Dog grooming, cover, image. This means that they have an image already. They all have images showing 1 of 10 of 21 entries. We'll go ahead, go to number 2. Image. They all have image. They all have image. Let's see. You can click here to view the details of the page, or you can click here to message them. So here is where you actually click to message them. So you click to message them. It opens up their messenger, Happy Paws Day Grooming, and then you send them a message. Again, they don't know who you are. This is for supporting their page. And here you're going to click and offer them what? They already have an image. So now you go back to Starr. The only thing that they cover in the training is they say if they have an image, what you can do is you can offer them a video cover. So that is what Starr does. You see exactly what it did. You see that it was broken. You saw it was broken initially. Then I had to do it again. It did work, but every one here that it found, again, it found me 21 people that already have images. So I guess I'm going to have to find a different niche to find my easy $500 per day payday. And of course, don't forget it said their software is going to find you hundreds of people that would gladly spend $100 to $500 a day to get their help. Then they show you these random screenshots of money made to include when you get down here, the kicker for JV Zoo and Warrior Plus for what says right here, and I'll highlight it for you, my affiliate stats. This screenshot is for affiliate marketing, not for using the Starr app to find leads to sell people Facebook cover images. And again, why they tell you Starr is better than any other online money-making methods, this has nothing to do with affiliate marketing. But the screenshot talked about affiliate marketing. Don't forget the second upsell is how to get more traffic and additional affiliate marketing training. But Starr was sold on the fact that you don't need affiliate marketing. There's no waiting to get paid. You don't need an email list because the software finds you hot leads for you and you can do this in your spare time. You don't actually have to do the work because you're going to learn how to outsource it. And about how you're going to be able to find Facebook page owners that need new cover images. And this can be a recurring stream of income. And there's so many people that need this simple service, you can scale up your income as big as you want. You saw the leads here. For the one example that I did, they already have an image cover. So you're going to spend your time clicking this button to, again, message these people. I'll show you again. You have to click this. It's going to take you over to your Facebook page, your profile that you again connected, and you're going to send them a message, cold message, telling them, hey, I see you have a Facebook cover already, but would you like a new one? Let me sell you one for $100 or maybe $500. I'm not going to tell you that digital arbitrage doesn't work, because it does, but it's a real business and you have to understand what you're getting into. And if you are struggling with affiliate marketing right now, thinking you're going to shift to this because you're going to make easy $500 a day paydays, is just not going to happen. You saw the tool, you saw how it works. You see the fact that they're going to instantly offer you an OTO to 4x your profits, and you do that by getting more training from them to learn how to do other types of marketing, which goes back to affiliate marketing and CPA marketing, and then unlock the Starr Pro version to do these things. Again, this is just a waste of time. It's a waste of money. And to show you that you really can't trust Team Black Belt, let me show you some fake scarcity. Take a look at this countdown timer. 12 minutes, 52, 51, 50. Let me go ahead and refresh this page. The timer literally reset to 30 minutes to give you an additional 30 minutes to make a decision. This price will increase and you will end up paying more if you come back later, because the price is going to increase based upon this timer. Fake, false scarcity. Don't trust a sales page that has this type of fake, false scarcity. It's just another red flag. Avoid Starr, avoid Team Black Belt. If you're struggling with affiliate marketing to make money and you really want to learn how to do it the right way, click the link in the description for free affiliate marketing training. 100% for free, exactly how to get started. If this video is helpful, give it a thumbs up. 30-minute timer right here in the middle of the screen. Click that timer and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content just like this video. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.